Okay, so if you don't have Cami and your teacher assigned something that needs Cami, you're going to go to this colorful waffle in the top left. You're going to go to the web store. You're going to search for Cami, and you're going to click on it. And if it says install here, then you need to install it. If it says remove from Chrome, that means you already have it installed and you should be good to go. So once you have Cami, you can go into your Schoology, go into your course. Then you're going to find your assignment that uses Cami. You're going to click open with Cami here. Okay, you have to click open with Cami. Don't just click on the PDF. Click open with Cami. Okay, that's going to bring up Cami here. I've already marked this up a little bit. So you have a few different tools. You can type a text box in there. So if you put in the text box, you can type, I spelled hello wrong. Okay. You can leave comments. This markup is going to allow you to highlight text. So here you can see I highlighted in yellow, underline text. You have the drawing tool as well, so you can choose all your colors, whatever color you want. If you click on the more colors here, so a dark green, and you can draw using that. Okay. You can insert shapes, you can erase anything that you've drawn. But mainly you'll probably be using the text box, markup, you can highlight, and then when you need to, you can draw. Once you've finished your teacher's assignment using this, it's very important that you go to the top right and it says turn in here. Okay? You need to click turn in. Now it's going to take you back to Schoology. Okay? And it's going to have your Cami assignment in there. You're going to click submit. And now you're done. You've submitted your assignment and completed it through Cami. Now that you have Cami, you don't have to install it every time. Now that you have Cami, you should see Open with Cami as an option for any assignment your teacher assigns using Cami. So hopefully this helped you.